First, in a bowl, add dry ingredients starting with 110 gram of all-purpose flour, 15 gram corn flour, half teaspoon baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda. Keep it aside. In another bowl, take 58 gram of unsalted butter, 40 gram brown sugar, 40 gram castor sugar. Mix them. Do not crumb them like a cake. Add half teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix. Now add 2 tablespoons of caramel sauce in the butter mixture and mix well. Homemade easy caramel sauce recipe is already in my channel. Check out the link from description box. Next, I am going to add 125 gram of chopped dark chocolate in the dry ingredients and coat them well. Now add the dry ingredients in butter mixture. Add 1/8 teaspoon of salt if using unsalted butter and fold the flour in gently. Next, add 30 to 40 ml of milk and mix to form a cookie dough. Now I am going to weigh the dough to make 65 gram of cookies each. You can simply scoop them. Gently flatten them and place one caramel toffee inside and roll to form a cookie dough ball. Likewise, shape rest of the cookie dough ball. Refrigerate for a minimum of 2 hours or best 24 hours to help enhance flavors. Place the chilled cookie dough ball onto a pre-lined baking tray and bake these in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 14 minutes until the edges are slightly golden brown in color. Once baked, cool slightly, then place on a wire rack to cool completely. This is the texture from inside. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, share and subscribe to Spoiled by Coco. I'm Apurvi and this is where Eggless baking always delivers.